Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is another Dollar Tree haul. I know I just did one, but I needed some more things and Dollar Tree has been stocked pretty good the last couple of weeks, fingers crossed. So I picked up a few random things and I did want to share them with you today. So of course, if you're a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for returning for another Dollar Tree haul. And if you are new, first of all, welcome. We love to do a lot of Dollar Tree oriented makeup and haul content on this channel. So if that is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. And I do hope that you will subscribe and become one of my Dollar Divas. So if you do enjoy Dollar Tree oriented makeup and haul content, I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below so you can binge watch more videos like this. There's lots of Dollar Tree get ready with me's using different Dollar Tree makeup, hauls, walkthroughs, and yeah, just all different types of Dollar Tree oriented videos. So definitely check that out. And if you missed my last Dollar Tree haul, I will have it linked down below as well as pinned in a comment so you can check it out. And without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So like my last haul, I'm gonna start with a few Christmas ornaments. Don't hate me for it. They just have a lot of really cute Christmas stuff right now at the Dollar Tree. I picked up a lot of good stuff last year, picked up a few good things in my last haul, and I picked up a few more things, and they're so cute, you guys. Seriously, like wait until you see what I picked up. So I used to have for my Christmas decor like a silver and gold theme, and it was fun for a while until it kind of started to feel sterile for me. So I've recently reincorporated in like red and green, and this year I'm going to be doing a lot of buffalo plaid. And the Dollar Tree has been absolutely bringing it in that department last year and this year. So I picked up some really adorable ornaments, like they're so cute. And I don't know if I picked up a couple of these last year or not. I may have, but anyways, they're so cute. I wanted a few more anyway. So I picked up two of these little, I guess they're like snow owls. How cute is that? It's got pine cones. It's sitting on like a little holly berry. And I did pick up two of these because I thought they would be so cute in the tree, and they're kind of made of burlap, so they're kind of cozy and woodsy. So yeah, I thought these were super, super cute. Then I picked up two of these, and like I said, I don't know if I purchased these last year or not, but there are these other owls, and they're like buffalo plaid, and again, they're sitting on holly berries, and they're like this fleece material in the back, and they are so cute. I have a couple of these little owls that you see that they put out in the fall, and those are really cute too. I have those sitting inside a wreath that is on my door, so I thought these would be really, really, really cute, just kind of peeking out of the tree with all my other ornaments. Then I thought these were really fancy and really pretty. Like I said, I've incorporated red and green kind of back into my Christmas decor. So my Christmas tree is silver, gold, buffalo plaid, and red. And so I thought these were beautiful, beautiful ornaments. They're these, just these traditional like Christmas ball ornaments, and they're velvet, and then they've got this gold detailing. So I bought two with that pattern on it. And I just thought they'd be really nice in the tree with the rest of my other ornaments, of course. Then I bought two that have like these swirls on them. And I thought those were really, really beautiful as well. They had one other style, it was like a snowflake, and I didn't pick those up. I just thought these would go really nice together in the tree. So picked up four of those. And again, all these ornaments, it's $8 worth of ornaments, and you could easily spend $8 on one or two ornaments at a fancier store, and these are every bit as beautiful, every bit as cute, every bit as pretty, and are gonna look beautiful on the tree, just the same. So definitely check out Dollar Tree this year for some Christmas ornaments, because if you've never checked them out, I think you'll be very, very pleasantly surprised. Then the rest of the stuff is some household items and some beauty and hair care items. So let's move on. So I'm gonna go into like household items. I was needing a couple more oven mitts. After a while they just kind of wear out and you start feeling heat through them. And I always buy mine at the Dollar Tree because why pay $5 for an oven mitt that's gonna do the same thing? And I'm not big on like silicone ones, or if they're too fancy, I tend to have a hard time gripping things. So I'm just replacing the oven mitts that I have. The ones that I have, I've probably had for about a year, and I use them like crazy. every day, at least once, sometimes more. So I just picked up these 2 gray oven mitts. And yeah, you know, you can't beat them for $1. Like I said, I do get a lot of use out of them. And like I said, you could easily spend $3, $4, $5 on the same thing. So the ones that I have now have some kind of a saying, and they're like gray and white. And I just went with the traditional gray this time. So I thought they would match my new kitchen really well. And yeah, so picked up a couple more of those, kind of a staple item from the Dollar Tree for me. And then I think it was my last haul, if not the one before that, but I picked up one of these, and I went ahead and picked up 2 more in this haul. And it's just these white spoon rests. Very simple, very sleek. They're not recommended for the microwave or the dishwasher, but they're easy enough just to kind of rinse out. I'm doing a little bit more white and gray and all that kind of stuff, so my old ones just didn't fit the theme anymore. So now I have 3 of these, and they just look really nice and simple on the counter. And one is not enough in my kitchen, at least, so I went ahead and picked a couple more. They do have black and red as well, so definitely a nice find at the Dollar Tree. And again, you could pay so much more somewhere else. Then kind of a boring item, but I needed some snacks for work. Like today I have a 3-show day. Thursdays I usually have a 3-show day. And so I need a little something in between. So that means I have 2 breaks, and they're about an hour long, a little less if you take into consideration you have to get dressed and all that kind of thing. So I'm not gonna eat a big meal, but it's too long of a day to not eat something. So I eat like a lot of like Lunchables, like I'll eat like a Lunchable or something like that in between. And then this is also a really good snack as well. A lot of times I buy the Bumblebee brand, but I saw them in the Dollar Tree and I decided to pick them up, and it's the Brunswick brand tuna salad with crackers. So you get a little can of tuna salad, a little package of crackers, it's ready to eat, comes with a spoon. And of course they don't have to be refrigerated unless you open them and you want to save the contents. So I can just throw it in my bag and it's ready for me whenever. Now it does say on the back, and I don't know if it's made by Bumblebee, but it says it's distributed by Bumblebee. So anyways, for $1, I've paid, I think sometimes I buy a 3-pack of the Bumblebee, and they come out to be, I think, a little bit more than $1 at Walmart. And of course, if you buy them individually, they're a lot more expensive. So I thought for $1, that is a steal. My little Lunchables that I buy are Armor brand, and those are $1 too. And sometimes I can find those at the Dollar Tree in the refrigerated section if you have a Dollar Tree that has, you know, the freezer department. And so for $2, I can get through my day and not starve to death. So it's really great. So picked up 2 of these. Then kind of another boring item, but necessary. I had a big container of masks, and I just ran out, and I don't want to buy another big container. So I used to pick these up very frequently at the Dollar Tree and just decided to pick up another pack to have. It's just the 2-pack of the disposable face masks. And like I said, just nice to throw in your purse, throw in your car. You know, if someone else needs a mask, you can give them one, all that kind of thing. So yeah, I just thought this would still be good to have handy just in case. Now the last few items are beauty items. And the first is, I just kind of wanted like a detangler, and my CVS was out of detangler. So I decided to just see if the Dollar Tree had any. It's made for kids, but you know, it's fun to buy stuff like this sometimes. So this is the Nickelodeon Shimmer and Shine hair detangler, and it's cotton candy scented. So this is what it looks like. You get a very good sized bottle for $1. It's 8 ounces, and it does smell like cotton candy. So, you know, we'll see how it works. You know, I usually just buy like the cheap CVS brand detangler, and I don't use it all the time. Sometimes I just feel like my hair's been a little unruly after a shower, and so I wanted to give this a try just to see how it worked, and for $1, definitely wanted to try it. So I have one of these brushes already, and I use it all of the time. And I haven't been seeing it at the Dollar Tree until today. And so I wanted to pick another one up because I use it a lot for like shimmers on the inner half of my eye. It's just one of my like favorite brushes, and it's the Sassy Plus Chic eyeshadow brush. And it's got the zebra handle just like the one I have. And like I said, and so this is what it looks like, and you've seen it on my channel before. I use it all the time. And so, yeah, I just wanted to have a backup because literally, like, I reach for this brush all of the time. I've got like a lot of really good brushes, like IT brushes and all that kind of thing, but I love this brush, so I wanted to have a backup. See, this is my old one. The other day when I was washing it, this thing here finally kind of came loose. So yeah, never a bad idea to have a backup of something like that you love. Then, so I've got, as you know, if you've been on my channel, I have a lot of synthetic wigs and hair pieces. And you know, sometimes they get to a point where they're almost unwearable no matter what you do. You can wash them and they just kind of get to this point where they're kind of done. Well, when they get to that point, I then like to experiment. So I have a wig that's like really straight. It was curly, but I steamed it and now it's really straight, and it's kind of gotten to that point where every time I wear it, I'm really unhappy. So I'm gonna try and experiment. I'm gonna try to curl it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I will let you know. I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna wet it and put it in some foam rollers and let it dry, and then use a steamer and see if I can't set some curls into it. Anyways, it's an experiment, so I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So I bought 2 packages of these foam hair rollers. They come in a pack of 8. I bought 2. They had all kinds of rollers, you guys. I guess they had like the little foam ones and they had different sizes. They had the plastic ones. My grandmother used to use these particular ones, and I used to use them when I was a kid, and I remember wetting my hair, putting them on, and then waking up in the morning and my hair would be curly, just super curly. And then I discovered hot rollers. Like I said, what better way than use like an old hair piece to experiment and see what it is you can't do. So I do like to do that kind of stuff all the time. So yeah, I'm on a mission. I will definitely let you know what happens. Then the last item, I think I had this in my collection at one point, and then it somehow made it out of my collection, but I am trying to collect all the Dollar Tree eyeshadow that I can. I've got quite a bit, obviously, but I had lost track of this palette. It's just the LA Colors 12 color eyeshadow palette. This is in traditional. It's just got all the brown shades and all that kind of thing. And these are not my favorite LA Colors eyeshadows, but it's still good to have them in your collection, especially me. I do like to do a duping video every now and again, and these do, I find, work best if you apply them with your finger. So yeah, so I did want to put this back in my collection. I happened to see it and was like, oh, I need it. So yeah, I am trying to make sure I have all of the Dollar Tree eyeshadow in my collection that I can have. That way I have lots of variation when I try to dupe a palette or create a look and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed another Dollar Tree haul. If you did, show me you did by hitting that like button. And comment down below, have you seen any of these items at your local Dollar Tree? Definitely comment and let me know. Again, I will have my Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below so you can binge watch all my Dollar Tree videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.